How to use ManyChat on Facebook pages. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you how you can easily start using ManyChat for your Facebook pages. So make sure you watch the video carefully so that you don't miss any of the steps in this process. So in the first step, you just have to click on the link that is given in the description and it will redirect you on the official website of ManyChat, or what you can do is you can simply type ManyChat in the search bar of your PC or your laptop and you will be landed on the official website of ManyChat. Now if you don't know, then let me tell you that with the help of ManyChat you can drive more sales and conversions on Instagram, WhatsApp and Messenger using automations. So if you want to use it on your Facebook page, then you just have to click on this get started button for free and then you will be landed on the sign up page. Here you will be able to see the integration applications like Instagram, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp and Telegram. You will notice that there is no such option of integrating ManyChat with your Facebook pages. If you want to do so on the Facebook pages, then you will have to link your Facebook page with your Instagram account, and with the help of your Instagram you can use their automation feature. But if you want to use your Facebook pages, then you will have to select the option of Facebook Messenger and the automation will work on Facebook Messenger, and with the help of it you will be able to get conversions and more sales. So let's say you have chosen the Facebook Messenger option. So after clicking on it, you will be landed on this page where it will ask you that you need to continue with Facebook. So you need to click on continue with Facebook option. Then you need to just provide your email address and your password, and you simply need to log in with your Facebook account. Now after that, it will show you the Facebook page that you have created or that you want to manage. So among the given pages that you have on your particular Facebook profile, you just have to select that particular page which you want to connect with it. So in order to connect it, you simply need to click on the connect button, and after waiting for some time it will show you that congratulations, your page is now connected successfully. After that, it will show you their pro features and the perks and benefits you are going to get. Also it will show you that after 14 days of pro, that will start at only $15 per month, you will be able to get the pro trial for 14 days absolutely for free. So over here, as you want to start with the free plan, so you will have to click on the start free plan option. Then it will ask you what is the primary purpose for you to creating your account. So among these given options, you just have to select the one that best suits you. For this video, I'm going to choose personal use and then click on the next button at the bottom. Next, it will ask you how do you intend to use ManyChat. So here you just have to again select the option as per your convenience and then press next. Next, it will ask you what does describe your intents to use ManyChat. So among these given options, you just have to select the one that best suits you and then you need to press next. Then you just have to describe your niche and then you need to press next. After that, it will ask you in what ways are you currently monetizing your account. So here it has given you some of the options, so you just have to select the option and then you need to press next button in the bottom right hand corner. Then it will ask you which marketing tool are you using. So among these given options, you just have to select the option and then you need to press next. Now after giving the answer to all of the questions that you have asked previously, you will be landed on the dashboard of your ManyChat account. Here you will be able to see the campaigns option, basically the campaigns that you have already created. If you click on this all template option, then it will show you all of the templates that you can use for your Messenger account. In the right hand section, you will also be able to see their help center and ManyChat community, and you can even hire an agency. So if you want to use these tabs, then you can also use this as these are in the helpful resources. Next, we have the option of contacts. So if you click on the contacts option, you will be landed on the contacts page where if you click on the import option, you can import your email list in this section and you can use automations on them as well. Next, we have the best feature that it provides, that is called automations. So after clicking on automations, you will be landed on this page where in the my automations section, you will be able to see all of the automations that you have created previously. Now, as our account is fresh, it is not showing to me any of the automations. So in order to create a new automation, simply click on the new automation option. Then it will ask you to choose the template. So among the given templates, you just have to choose any of these. Then it will show you the preview of the template. So if you are okay with this template, then click on the setup template option. Now once you do this, it will show you this section that says if message contains. So basically in this section you need to provide the trigger keyword. So whenever someone type that keyword in the messages, then this automation will be triggered and they are going to get the answer that you want to give them. So in this section you just have to type that keyword. So let's say I want to type leads, or I also want to type some of the associated words like lead. So you just have to click on the message condition, and if you want to put any other condition into it, so let's say instead of lead, if someone type marketing, so this gets triggered. So after that you just have to click on the save button and it will show you that the keywords are saved. So over here you will also be able to see this workflow of the automation. So if you want to make changes into any of these, then you just have to click on that section, and after that you will be able to see the options associated with it, like you can change the text, you can add the button if you want to, you can add the link in your buttons. In the bottom you can even add text, cards, audios, etc. So you can choose or make the changes into the window as per your convenience, but for this video I'm going to keep it as it is. If you want to delete any section, then you can click on the delete button. If you want to copy any of these, then you can click on the copy button. If you want to preview your automation, then you can click on the preview button and it will show you how it will look actually. Then if you want to set it live, then simply click on the set live option in the top right hand corner of the screen and your automation will be live. So this way you will be able to use ManyChat on Facebook pages. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.